Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Ethereum. I'm going to be doing a daily update on Ethereum. We'll talk about all of the fundamentals yesterday. Yesterday was quite a bearish day. We dropped down, we had a bearish breakout actually for Ethereum right here at that level around 1760, 1750. We'll talk about that. We'll talk about the causes of that. And then most importantly, I think, is we'll talk about Ethereum this weekend. What can you expect? Will we be bearish? Will Ethereum crash? Is there a possibility of a crash even? So that's what we'll talk about. So let's get into that. And before we do so, if you want to receive daily trading signals, then check out my trading signal group. Links are down in the description and in the pinned comment. There you'll be able to find more instructions on how to join. All right, so onto Ethereum. I think we have to start with, and I'm going to quickly not delete this, but drag this away. I think we have to start with the fundamentals. Yesterday, when I also did the video, I said that, all right, well, it's quite likely that we'll drop down to 1750 again. I did not think we would drop down below that. But there was quite a lot of bearish momentum with Binance spot trading being paused. That actually caused quite a lot of bearish pressure at one point of time. But apart from that, the dollar strength index was also very strong because of a weaker euro. And that together, I think, together with the strong resistance up here at around 1840, I think caused this bearish momentum. Now, are we in trouble? I don't think so yet. But there's definitely right now a possibility that we're in trouble because we have confirmed and really solidified that we've broken below 1760 and 1750. So what's happening now, I think, at least, is that we'll drop down to our next support level around 1720 and 1700. We will find support there. However, what we need to do to really gain back our bullish momentum and the possibility to get back up to 1900 is we need to find support there and get up to 1750 and break above that. All right, like we've also done previously. If we can do that, we're still bullish and we can still get up to 1900 somewhere next week. But that does need to happen because if we find support at around 1700 and then just take a break retest off of 1750 and we will not get above that in the next like at 48 hours, then what's going to happen, unfortunately, I think, is we're going to drop down even lower towards 1680 and 1660. And the lower we fall, the more difficult it will get to actually come back into this range between 1760 and 1840, which is the range to be in if we still want to get to 1900 and perhaps even 2000. So we'll have to wait for that. I mean, it's the weekend now, so usually volatility and volume, especially on Saturday, is lower. You can already see that the volume is a bit lower, but I expect it to go even lower in the next 24 hours. And then Sunday, usually we get some moves already, all right? So expect, I'll do another update tomorrow, of course, but Sunday is really the day I'm aiming for to either break above 1760, 1750 again, or to reject it. And you should know, but I'll tell you that again tomorrow, so don't worry too much about that. But usually when you see big moves on a specific day, like for example, here you saw Sunday, usually when you get one big bullish move, it will follow with, there will be a follow-up with more bullish moves. Or can I find another example? Right here, Sunday started, well, here it was not that good of an example. We started bullish and we ended bearish, but we found a major resistance level then. So yeah, altogether it's Saturday. We could get some movements, but I do not expect any significant breakouts or anything like that. But this weekend altogether will probably provide us all the answers that we have, all the answers to the questions we have still right now. But that's my take on Ethereum for today and for now. If you do have any questions, then let me know. But for now, take care and bye.